The passion for what we're doing today came about when I was doing my higher education. A good friend of mine, call him Patient Zero. He was type 1 diabetic. Over time, I realized he was always complaining about missing class. My pump malfunctioned, my device malfunctioned. And I always wondered why he's always reacting to things, right? Wait for something happen and then react to it. And obviously at that point, it's too hard to figure out what you should have done right in the first place. And then getting back on track would take days, if not longer. Back then, me coming out of school, I kind of was just like, this is a no-brainer for me. I can get his data from his continuous glucose monitor. I can get his pump information either manually or directly from the pump. And I can also, he was very excited about a Fitbit watch that he purchased back then. I can also get his heart rate variability from the watch. And we can use a machine learning algorithm to learn his glucose behavior and then project what's going to happen. That way, he doesn't need to react to things. He can now be proactive. Put that prototype on him. He really liked it, was very enthused about it. He was interning at BC Children's Hospital and he was like, oh, this is awesome. Really like it. I want to show this to the endocrinologist that I'm working with. And it's like, yeah, absolutely. Go for it. He took it to BC Children's Hospital. The endocrinologist really liked it. So she kind of was like, this is awesome. I can see a lot of use cases for this. So then the endocrinologist at BC Children's Hospital, she recommended we do a pilot study. So we did a pilot study and we were able to bring up the accuracy for an hour prediction horizon to the lower 90s, which was unheard of. Like to be able to predict an hour with 90% accuracy. So that was awesome. We did a poster at American Diabetes Association where the companies really liked what we were working on. It was good in the sense that we launched the product in its original infancy. In 2017, we put the first prototype as an app on the App Store. It's kind of serendipitous because a mother with a type 1 child found the app, downloaded it, took to one of these hidden Facebook groups with for mothers with type 1 children. And then she posted there, like, I downloaded this app. It's giving me this new thing called predictions, and it seems to be quite accurate. And so people were curious, so they started downloading it. And that got to a point where we had, 15,000 active users in under 3 months. No marketing, it was just like organically growing. Somebody downloaded it, they liked it, they recommended it to somebody else. But the concept that was relatively new back then was the ability to be proactive rather than reactive to specific diabetes events. And that was kind of like where we figured out like, hey, you know what? It seems like there's something exciting here and let's just lean in. What we realized later down the road was that the number one request was, I love the app, helps me a lot. I want to share this information with my doctor. And as we were developing the clinical module for people to share this information with their doctor and get the healthcare provider involved, then all of a sudden COVID hit. That was sort of a blessing in disguise. For one, everything went remote overnight. So we no longer had to make, a justification for our investors or shareholders why we're making the clinical module. It's in fact like now is a necessity and we need it. But also, because of COVID, we realized that patients with diabetes and hypertension, we don't want them leaving the house because not only they're at higher risk of getting the disease, but also poor outcomes. So then overnight, that question of why would I need this in my office, I'll just ask the patient to come in, went away and turned into, oh, this is awesome. I want to remote monitor my patients, which is really good. So then we developed Endobits, which effectively allows the clinic to remote monitor their entire patient population using our technology.